got AMC 65% dark pool, 2 million volume right now in the dark pool. So are we gonna have the squeeze at least before the end of this month? We just got 5 days left on month of August, so we might have the squeeze before that. And with this kind of volume and of course dark pool activity, if it's proven right, we're gonna have one signal to confirm that. We missing just one signal to confirm the dark pool action. We're gonna discuss it in a bit before we go further. Remember, our content always for educational purposes only. So as we said, guys, dark pool action right now for AMC, and of course, we got a glimpse of this action before on Wednesday, and of course on Monday, and today we got 2%. Yeah, yesterday we did more move than today. But yeah, the market is not closed yet, so we might do another 10% like what we did yesterday. And of course, the glimpse of Armageddon for the short sellers is around the 10 or $3. Yes, the $3 is when we gonna meet the short sellers positions place or the fortress or the wall that actually built for a while since let's see the wall when they start to build the wall. Technically right now 2 months of building the wall. The wall might break on the short seller head if we broke the $3. And of course, the good thing, the first signal that we actually started to build against this wall or the whale buying slowly is not testing the $2 So watch out for one signal, guys, which is holding over the $3 1 hour candle, because last time once we tested this level, we didn't stay even few minutes. Let me just go here, even 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Let's see, we didn't even stay over this level with 5 minute candle. So next time, even if we close with 5 minute candle, we'll confirm at least the squeeze. The best confirmation is holding 1 hour over the $3, but even 5 minute will confirm the volcano will erupt. And of course, we're gonna have the jump around the $4, and this is will give us at least, if we want to squeeze, we have to do 35% on the first level around the 4 and another 35% around the 555. Again, this is not hypothetical levels. This is a proven testable level. That's why it is 35% for each. And I think we got AI or kind of robotic trading AMC, not normal human, because we got precisely percentile difference between the levels, 35% for AMC. Of course, we're going to discuss AMC and the other stocks before this happened. If it happened, of course, in pre-market or after hours, we always discuss them here first, like what we did yesterday for BTCT. And today, of course, we updated the level for BTCT that squeezed yesterday. This one was our squeezer stock. Every day there's a stock is squeezing. Of course, we're waiting for AMC to squeeze, but we don't have to wait because there's over 15,000 stocks that we might trade and might squeeze every day.